Hello viewers. Welcome to an exclusive review of the Dash Mini Rice Cooker. If you're looking for a compact, portable rice cooker perfect for your workplace, a small apartment, or even your dorm, then this product is just what you need. Today, I'll walk you through the design, functionality, pros and cons, reviews, and how it can make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable, all on a budget. Product design and build quality. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker is compact and stylish. Its modern design with a sleek aqua color adds a fresh look to your kitchen. The compact size makes it easy to fit into even the smallest of kitchens, and the sturdy handle allows you to move it around effortlessly. Key features and functions. This product has some standout features that make everyday cooking hassle-free and efficient. 1. Removable non-stick pot. The non-stick pot makes it easy to clean as food doesn't stick, and you can cook a variety of foods without worrying about cleanup. 2. Keep warm function. After cooking, it automatically switches to the keep warm mode, so your food stays warm and ready to eat for hours. This function maintains the perfect temperature and texture for your meal. 3. Multifunctional use. Not just for rice, this mini rice cooker is great for cooking oatmeal, soup, stew, and various grains, making it a versatile appliance for quick meals. 4. Recipe guide. The included recipe guide is perfect for exploring new, easy recipes that will inspire you to try more with your mini rice cooker. Why buy it? The Dash Mini Rice Cooker is an affordable and time-saving kitchen helper. It's ideal for individuals or small households who need a quick and easy way to prepare meals. Whether you're at work, in a dorm, or even on a camping trip, this compact rice cooker is very convenient. Cooking experience. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker cooks efficiently, delivering perfectly steamed rice, oatmeal, and soup in no time. The keep warm function adds extra convenience, letting your meal stay warm for hours after cooking. User reviews. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker has earned positive reviews on Amazon. Most users appreciate its compact size, quick cooking capabilities, and easy cleanup. Customers particularly praise its versatility, allowing them to prepare multiple dishes with one device. Pros. 1. Portable and space-saving size makes it easy to carry. 2. Keep warm function maintains food at an ideal temperature for hours. 3. Multifunctional, great for cooking rice, oatmeal, soup, and more. 4. Non-stick pot for easy cleanup. 5. Budget-friendly, this cooker is affordable without compromising on quality. Cons. 1. This is a mini cooker, so it's not suitable for large families. 2. Some users feel it takes a bit longer to cook, though it delivers a good texture. 3. The lid may collect a bit of steam, so open it carefully after cooking. Final thoughts. If you want to add both style and functionality to your kitchen without breaking the bank, the Dash Mini Rice Cooker is a fantastic choice. It's multifunctional and simplifies cooking for small meals, saving you time and effort. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and share what product you'd like to see reviewed next. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.